application of gold number. So we have calculated the gold number previously. We have discussed the concept of gold number. So what is the application of gold number? If we know the concept of gold number, what is the application of this? See, this is generally we are quantifying. See, in the gold number we are quantifying the amount. In the gold number, what we are quantifying the amount means amount of protective colloid in Mg. How much amount of protective colloid in Mg is required? Gold number is how much amount of Mg of protective colloid is required. We can call it as a gold number. Just we have quantified the gold number. So what this will implies? See, gold number is inversely proportional to the hydrophilicity of protective colloid. Gold number is inversely proportional to the hydrophilicity of protective colloid. So what does this mean? See, if the gold number of gelatin is less, see, gold number is less, then hydrophilicity of protective colloid is more. Hydrophilicity of protective colloid is more means just 4 solvent film means gelatin will drink 4 solvent film. Means gelatin is surrounded by 4 solvent films. We can call as a high hydrophilicity. Hydrophilicity means just drinking of water. Means gelatin having high hydrophilicity of protective colloidal action. Next, acacia. Acacia is 0.10 mg. This indicating that the gold number is what is happening? The gold number is increases. The hydrophilicity is decreased. See, hydrophilicity decreased means just 3 layers are there. See, gold numbers are increasing. Gold number are increasing. What will be there? When the gold numbers are increasing, there is a reduction. See, there is a reduction of gold number increasing. There is a reduction of solvent film on the different like gelatin, acacia and tragacanth. See, whenever the gold number is increasing, there is a reduction of solvent films means hydrophilicity of protective colloid is reducing. See, from 4 solvent film to 3 solvent film. 3 solvent film to 2 solvent film. So there is a reduction of hydrophilicity. Okay, when there is a increasing of gold number, there is a reduction of reducing of hydrophilicity of a protective colloid upon increasing of gold number. This concept we can call as a application of gold number. This is application of gold number. See, what will be happening? See, if we calculated the gold number, means what will be happening here? See, the gelatin having the gold number is less. Gold number is less means we can see the gelatin will protect. See, this is lyophobic particle. On this gelatin is there. So gelatin will protect this lyophobic particle more compared to the acacia. Next, acacia will protect this lyophobic particle more compared to the tragacanth. How means? Just simply see. I have added what I have added. Chloride ions I have added. When I have added the chloride ion, what will happen means these 3 chlorides ion remove the 3 solvent film. Okay, these 3 chloride ion remove 3 solvent film. Here, the same 3 chlorides ion will remove the solvent film and making the lyophobic colloidal system as a unstable. How can I represent means? See, this is gelatin. 3 chlorides ion remove 3 solvent film. So finally stable lyophobic colloid. unstable lyophobic colloid is formed. When in case of acacia, what is there means this is lyophobic, then acacia is there. Acacia is surrounded by 3 solvent film. When I have added 3 chlorides, all these 3 chlorides remove the solvent film from this, then immediately there is immediately unstable again tragacanth, not unstable, intermediate is stable. Next one is tragacanth. See, whenever this is lyophobic particle, tragacanth is there. Surrounded by 2 layers. Okay, when I will add 3 chlorides, this 2 chloride remove solvent film. This 2 chlorides remove solvent film from the tragacanth. This 2 solvent film removed by this chloride. Then third chloride is there, that is interacting with lyophobic colloid. So which is having more protective action? We are determining from which is means among different protective colloid, which isn't having highest protective action, we are concluded from the gold number of that particular compound. See, if gold number is less means that is having more protective action. See, gelatin surrounded by 4 layers. When I have added 3 chloride, then 3 chlorides are removed from this. Then stable lyophobic colloid is formed. Next, lyophobic colloid surrounded by protective colloid attached with protective colloid acacia. When I have added 3 chloride, then these 3 chloride remove 3 solvent film from the acacia, leads to the intermediate stable. When I have added the same 3 chlorides to the tragacanth containing 2 solvent film, then 2 chlorides remove 2 solvent film from the tragacanth. That third chloride which is interacting with lyophobic particle. Now unstable. What will form? Unstable colloid is formed of tragacanth. So just determining in case of gold number, just we are determining the power of protective action. The power which compound having more power to protect gold solution, which colloid having more protective action, we can conclude from the gold number. So finally we have concluded that gelatin having more protective action to the gold system, means gold colloidal dispersion compared to gelatin compared to acacia compared to tragacanth. This is about the application of gold number.